Hey, what if I told you that I could get the hard work part of your business done for you on autopilot? Get the part that you hate the most done for you on automatic. What if I tell you that I have a system that I do that does that for me, right? Most of you know I do MLM, I do network marketing, right? I started in MLM because I was looking for something. I wanted to start a business, and I was looking for something that was low cost because at the time I did not have a lot of money to start a business. So that's where I kind of stumbled into MLM. And MLM has been very good to me over the last few years, right? It's put a lot of extra money in my pocket, man, and I've been very appreciative of it. But the hardest part about MLM is not necessarily the products. It's about teaching people, finding teachable people that want to learn what you do. That's the most difficult part about MLM and network marketing, right? What if I told you that I have a system that does all that outreach for me? I no longer do it. And so that means no more scripts, no more cold reach out for me, no more hunting down prospects and stuff like that, right? No more how the gurus tell you. Anybody that's within 3 feet of you, introduce yourself, tell them about your business. No more of that. No more cold outreaching to people in their inboxes on social media. No more recruiting of your family and friends to the point where nobody pays attention to you anymore. You can eliminate all of that. I have a system that does that for me. I touch it maybe about once, twice a day, depending on how I'm feeling. But it's all done for me. It brings me prospects. It brings me recruits. And tell you the truth, in all honesty, if you wanted to, it actually gives you scripts to use. And it also gives you follow-up scripts and follow-up reminders. And you can get this on an unlimited basis, daily basis. You could do 10 people a day, 20 people a day, 30 people a day, 50 people a day, 100 people a day. You get the picture, right? Unlimited. And I have this service, I use it, and it works very well for me. And now that I've used it, I've tested it out, made sure that everything is real. And we got reviews back from many happy clients that do use it. I really want to share it to you on a mass level, right? Imagine that. No more scripts having to reach out to people's inboxes to people you don't know. No more jumping in these Facebook groups and reaching out to people and people telling you to leave you alone or blocking you. No more, none of that. I'm at a loss of words for it, man. I'm so excited to use it, and I'm so excited to share it with you. If you're interested to know exactly what this system is that I use and how it can benefit you and how much it costs, because it does have a cost to it. It does have a fee, right? But the returns that you get for that money that you pay out your pocket, you're going to see rewards from it 10 times greater than what you pay for this service. If you're interested, send me a message. Hit me in my inbox, comment on this video, or however you want to do it. I'm here. You can reach me. I'm not a hard guy to find. If you like this video, drop me a like. Give me a follow. You can follow me. You can see me all across social media at Mr. Sean Cole. You can find me on YouTube at Sean Cole Enterprises. I've been there for years. Well known in this field. I'm looking forward to hearing from you. You have a great day, man, and hopefully I can change your life with this tool that I'm using. All right? Have a good one.